Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Kafil and I am studying in SVC Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in Bangalore. My branch is Computer Science Engineering in Artificial Intelligence. Section is Infinity and my subject is Civil Engineering and the topic is Asymmetrical Plane Figure. So I will be solving a sum of asymmetrical plane figure. First is find centroid of a asymmetrical plane figure. So below we have given a figure, so which we have to find first four components. Like in the figure probably we should find how many components are there. So in this figure we have four components. Like as you can see, first we have rectangle, and second we have triangle, and third we have semicircle, and fourth we have circle. So I will show. See, as I told, first we have rectangle, triangle, semicircle and circle. So in triangle we have height, we have 100, base we have 120. So for triangle, b by 2 and d by 2. In triangle, height we have 100 and triangle height is 60, base is 120. In semicircle, base is 120 and height is 100. In circle, we have base 60 and the circle is 20. So next we have to make about 6 columns for this component. Area A, centroid of distance from x-axis y, distance of centroid from y-axis ay, moment of area absent, x-axis x mm cube, and last column is a moment of area about y-axis ax mm cube. So which in figure we have to mark components, and we should go it accordingly how we have marked. So as you see, we have first rectangle. So we'll be taking rectangle first. In area A, we will be doing first rectangle, B into D, and B is base 120 and height 100. So we'll be doing 120 into 100. So after multiplying, we will get 1200. After the centroid of distance from x-axis y, so d by 2, 100 divided by 2, if we divided 200, so we will get 50. Next we have to do distance of centroid from y-axis ay. We have to multiply 2000 into 50, so we'll get 6 lakh as you see in the figure. And next we have to find moment of area absent, x-axis x mm cube. So in the figure you can see here b by 2, so base 120 by 2 we have to, so 120 divided by 2 is equals to 60. And the next step is moment of area about y-axis ax mm cube. So now we have to multiply area and moment of area x. So 1200 into 60, so we'll get 7,20,000. So this was the rectangle, and we'll take next is a second component, which is triangle. That we have triangle here, height 100, 60 and base 120. And triangle with the triangle is 1 by 2 into breadth into height. So 1 by 2 into breadth into height is 120 into 60, as you can see in the figure. So we will be taking here 120 into 60, so we will get 3600 is equals to, we will be doing here height by 3 is 120, centroid of distance from x-axis y. So next we should do distance of centroid from y-axis ay. So we have to multiply area and centroid y. So 3600 into 120, so we will get 4,32,000. So next we have to do moment of area absent, x-axis x mm cube. So b by 3, as you see in the figure, we have to take b by 3 is equals to 120 by 3. If we do divide it by 120 by 3 is equals to, we'll get answer as 40. Next step, we have to do movement of area about y-axis ax mm cube. So area A and moment of area absent x, we have to multiply 3006 into 40. So area we have 3600 and moment we have 40. So 3600 into 40. If you multiply it, we will get 1,44,000. So this was a triangle. And next we will take a third component, which is semicircle. This is the third one, semicircle, and here you can see base is 120 and height is 100. So next we will take semicircle, and semicircle is pi r square by 2, as you all know. So if we do pi r square for 2, we will get 3926.99. So centroid of distance from x-axis will be r, so that is 60. Next, distance of centroid from axis AY. So area A, answer, and R is equals to, we have to multiply 3926.99 into 60. So after multiplying it, we will get answer as 196,349.5 m. So in next step, we have to do moment of area absent x-axis x mm cube. So 120 is 4r by 3 pi. So here we will get the answer as 141.22 s. So we will be getting here 141.22. So next step is moment of area about y-axis ax. So area A and moment of area x-axis, we have to multiply both the answers. So 3926.99 into 141.22. If we multiply it, we'll get the answer as 55,456.52. So this was the step of semicircle. So we have done here 3 components, and our fourth last component is circle. So here you can see the circle. So we have here 20 and base is 60. So we'll take as accordingly circle. So circle is pi r square is equals to, we'll get minus 1256.6, and the centroid of distance from x-axis y, after doing area A, we'll get 50. So in the next step, distance of centroid from y-axis AY mm square. So area A and centroid of distance from x-axis y, we have to multiply the both, that is minus 1256.6 into 50. So we'll get answer here as minus 6283.85. So here next step, we have to do moment of area absent x-axis x mm cube. So we'll get here 60 as 60. And the last step, we have to do moment of area about y-axis ax. So we have to take area A, that is minus 1256.6, and the moment of area is 60. We have to multiply it. So we'll get minus 7539.8. So here after doing all the total and sum of area, so we'll get summation A. Of summation A, we'll get as 18,270.39. In summation AX, we'll get, like after doing the sum of total, we'll get 11 lakh 11,655.17.65 m. So in summation, in moment of area, in summation AX, we'll get 1343,174.52. So we have done about here the calculation. So we'll move on the next step, that is, so now we have here summation A is equals to 18,270.78, as we have done here the down one, and summation ax 1343173.52, that we have done it here. Summation ax, the last one. So the next one is summation ay is equals to 1165517.65, that is cube. So after that we have to find x bar is equals to summation ax by divided by summation a. As similarly we have to find y bar is equals to summation ay divided by summation a. So we have to divide summation ax divided by summation a first. So x bar is equals to, first we have to take summation ax, which is 1343173.52, and divided by summation a. We have summation a is 1827.0.38. So after dividing we will get the answer as 73.50 mm. So x bar is equals to 73.50 mm. So we have got the answer for x bar. And similarly we have to do for y bar. Summation ay we have 1165517.65 divided by, we have to take summation a, it's 1827.0.39. After dividing it, so we'll get the answer as 63.79 mm. So this was the my solution and sum of centroid. Hope you got understand. So this was my answer for centroid, a symmetrical plane figure. Thank you all.